Hey everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back for another video here on my YouTube channel. Today I actually have, this is the January Pink and Main box. It was sent to me just recently and that is what I'll say. Just made me so happy to see this pink box in the mail and it touched my heart. I'll just say that. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside because I definitely want to do like I normally do, which would be at least 5 cards, 1 kit video. But just keep in mind, I'm posting this now, but I'm going to be out of town for a week, so it'll probably be a little over a week before I'm able to get something made and up. My plan is to stamp out stuff and do some coloring if this one actually has stuff to color. Definitely sketch out some plans. I'm going to be, you know, while I'm gone for the week, I will definitely be doing some coloring and trying to be creative, but won't be able to make any videos during that time. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside. I'll just say, let me just say that they're always packaged so beautifully. I love the paper, and then you have the way it comes inside. Now let's set this off to the side so we can pull things out and we can take a look. All right. So each one of these comes with its little, I'll pull this out first. And this one is called the January 2021 Crafty Courtyard Kit All Occasion. So it's an all occasion kit, which that is awesome. You always need all occasion. And I like how the little cards are set. Michelle always gives a color palette, which is great because that way you can go through your collection of whatever you have, whether it be inks or other embellishments or, you know, other cardstock, whatnot. You can bring it in and match it up, and because I do love some matchy-matchy, that is for sure. And then it tells you what comes in the kit. But these cards are great because, I mean, you could make this a whole card front all on its own. You could trim this down and put this on a card, or because it measures, what does it measure? 4 inches by 6 inches. So a typical A2 is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So maybe trim a little bit down off this if you wanted to, or, you know, whatever you want to do, make it your own. So that is cute. It says nothing changes the day like a smile. So there's our card. I'm going to set this off to the side. Let's bring out our cardstock first because the colors will really reiterate those colors. Here we have, and I'll do it this way. So these are basil, or at least these top ones. This is some Granny Smith basil. We have some Daisy basil. I always love basil. Oh, and then we have the Tunisian Princess. I love when that one's included because this one has some really great textures, like those little dots. That one's one of my favorites. Ooh, we've got some shimmer. This is some Basil Basics paper, but this has some shimmer to it. It doesn't have the name on there, I don't think. It does not, but look at how beautiful that shimmer is. And it also has like a weave texture, which is nice. Ooh, this one has some texture too. This is some bubble gum, and I like the texture on that. You may not be able to see it in the camera, but that's pretty. Then we have some carrot stick, and then we have several pieces of white. So let's see, we've got 2 pieces of some nice thick 110-pound ice rink cardstock. So there are our cardstock bits. I'll go ahead and leave these out. All right. Then we also get 4 ice rink envelopes. So these are A2 sized. So this is great. Take it on the go, and you already have envelopes ready to go. And so if you're out and about and you've brought all your things to make stuff, you could already send some out. So that's great. Then we have, oh, so many great embellishments and things. So let's pull these out one by one. Ooh, look at our fun, oh, that is cute. So these are the Sequin mix. Beautiful pastel colors. We even have, and I don't know if you can see these, but some beautiful little daisies. We have some little pink daisies, some little yellow daisies, looks like some iridescent ones, but they're super, super tiny, and they go so beautifully with the colors of the rest of the sequins. This is just so springy. Love that. All right. And then we have some more embellishments, and I love these. See, these are their all occasions enamel dots, and these ones have some glitter to them. So they're almost like, they remind me of the glitter drops that Nuvo has, because they're a little bit translucent. I bet they're not going to be like super translucent, but they're more gloss than they are color. So it's really, it's subtle and beautiful, and I love that glitter in there. All right, let's bring out the pattern paper. Check that out. I'm going to trim this off because this is how I typically store my pattern paper when it comes in these packs. I will just cut the top off. It makes it that much easier because honestly, trying to undo the stick in the back, I always get it stuck to the paper, and then I'm upset because it sometimes can tear the paper. And I like that this is all separate pieces. So this is going to show you all the different patterns that you have on here. You get 24 sheets, and these are going to be double-sided. So we'll put this here. Look at how pretty that is. We've got this one. The back of it is that. We've got this beautiful one. The back of it is this. A lot of floral, which is beautiful. Oh, I like that a lot. Ooh, I love these two together. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, some rainbow. Mama likey. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Thankfully, they give you 2 of each one, so you don't have to like really try and decide what you're going to use. Oh, wait, whoops. Did I do that wrong? Yeah, I flipped that one first. And it just keeps going. Look at all this gorgeous paper. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So lots of beautiful, beautiful patterns in here. Oh, so many cards. Oh my gosh. And with 24 in there, you're going to have that for days, man. That is so pretty. Love that. All right, our next thing, let's see what else we got in here, is, look at the stencil. Oh my goodness. So this is called Roundabout, the Roundabout stencil, and it's just got lots of circles intertwined, but look at that. Beautiful 6x6 stencil. I love when they include the stencils, and that is super pretty. Love that. And it looks like it might be one of those that you could do continuously. So we'll see if we can try and do something with that. And then, oh, we have an embossing folder. Look at that. It's a big 6x6 embossing folder of stripes. So you can do that on your paper, put your paper in there, run that through your die cutting machine. Of course, read your die cutting machine's instructions to make sure that you're doing it correctly. But that's a very nice embossing folder. I love the 6x6 because it does give you a lot more options. So we have that. I forgot. I can't believe I did that. Here's the little enamel pin, or not enamel. It is, maybe it is. No. It's the flare. It's a flare, 1-inch collectible flare button. I get them confused sometimes with knowing my materials. But look at how cute that is. It matches the pattern paper perfectly. So cute. All right, so there's our pin. And now we'll get into the stamp set and the die. So here is the stamp set. This is the all occasion stamp set. It's nothing but sentiments, which you can always use tons of sentiments. So this is going to be one that most likely I'll try to develop a lot of different kinds of cards. Not necessarily, because it won't be obviously coloring. Maybe a little bit, but not a lot. I'm a better me because of you. Sending hugs, but wishing for a real one soon. Oh, that's so fitting for the times. Happy everything. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Just a note, there is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. That's a quote by Buddha. Nothing changes the day like a smile. Congratulations. Hello there. I cannot imagine a day that I don't think of you. Wishing you well and thinking of you. These are great, obviously, all occasion sentiments. So very, very wonderful. I always need tons of thank yous. This is awesome. And lots of thinking of you. And then our die is wonderful because it actually has 2 words. We've got thanks and hello. And then a lot of these can be used around your sentiments, which is fabulous. This one has some little stitching detail, but these are all so pretty. What a great die set. And it's wonderful because it's a die set that can be used not just with this set, but just in general. So I think that's wonderful. All right, so there's that. I'm going to pack this up real quick. Love this little, I am so excited to get in on this. I already have a bunch of ideas. I'm going to start doing some sketching so that way when I get back, I can just really go to town and show you guys lots of stuff. But I love that these always come in a pouch. So keep that in mind too when you order, if you order from Pink and Main. I mean, I love their stuff anyway. But here's that. And then here is a little thank you. Now, I don't know, because I'm not always in the know. Here's a little thank you. I think Michelle does this every so often after, I think maybe a quarter. I could be totally wrong. Don't quote me on that. Sometimes she sends a little something. So let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. So we've got some beautiful glitter ribbon. This is the, it's an adhesive because she's done these before with different colors, and I love that it's purple. This is American Crafts, and you get 4 feet of it, so that's quite a bit. And then we have this little sentiment set. I miss you dearly. Thanks. Thank you. Sending you smiles. Though we are miles apart, you are always in my heart. I hope you are doing well. You are special to me. Hey, friend, sweet love. Hello, darling. Hello, friend. I don't know if I said that one. Hello. Sending my love, and you have been on my mind. And we also have the cutout of hello and a shadow for it as well. So that's awesome. And then a Doris embossing folder. So these are just sometimes little extras that she throws in there. All right, that's going to do it for my unboxing. Like I said, keep an eye out. So if you like this video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button, the little bell that's going to let you know when I have a video coming up. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.